Welcome! If you've been wanting to switch up your username on the X app but aren't quite sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this quick and updated guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your username in just a couple of minutes. The first step is simple. Open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you'd like to make the change. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up a menu with several options to choose from. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all the controls for your account customization and security. Next, tap on Your Account. This section is dedicated to your personal information, login details, and preferences. Now, select Account Information. Depending on your device, you might be asked to confirm your password before proceeding. So go ahead and do that if prompted. Once inside your account information page, tap on Username. This is where you'll be able to replace your current username with a new one. Just type in the name you want. Remember, it has to be unique, so if your choice is already taken, try adding numbers or adjusting the spelling until it's available. When you're happy with your new username, tap Done. Your changes will be saved instantly, and your profile will now display your updated name anywhere it appears on the platform. Changing your username can be a great way to refresh your online identity, whether you're rebranding, simplifying your handle, or just in the mood for something new. And thanks to these quick steps, you can make the switch anytime you want without losing your followers or posts. So, go ahead. Open the app and give your profile that fresh update today. It only takes a moment and you'll have a username that better reflects who you are right now.